In the world of speech delivery, gestures and hand movements are more than mere embellishments, they're vital components that enrich verbal communication in profound ways. Let's explore their significance. Firstly, gestures act as silent companions to our words, offering visual cues that make abstract concepts more tangible and aid audience comprehension. Secondly, they're like signposts, guiding our audience's attention to key points, emphasizing their significance, and reinforcing the core message of our speech. Thirdly, gestures infuse our delivery with energy and dynamism, capturing our audience's attention and keeping them engaged throughout the presentation. Lastly, they're conduits of emotion, allowing us to express feelings and passion nonverbally, forging a deeper connection with our audience and enhancing the overall storytelling experience. Now, how can we seamlessly integrate gestures into our speech delivery? Firstly, understand their purpose. They're there to emphasize, clarify, and engage, enriching our communication in meaningful ways. Secondly, familiarize yourself with different types of gestures, descriptive, illustrative, and emphatic, and use them naturally to enhance your speech content. Thirdly, practice natural gestures that feel authentic and align with your message, avoiding anything that feels forced or exaggerated. Coordinate your gestures with your speech, ensuring they complement and reinforce key points, maintaining audience attention and interest. Engage with your audience using gestures, making eye contact and involving them in your presentation. Lastly, seek feedback from peers or mentors, refining and adjusting your gestures to improve their effectiveness and clarity. With consistent practice and feedback, incorporating gestures into your speech delivery will become second nature, enhancing your overall communication effectiveness.